Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update or edit a manual journal in Xero. Even if you're a complete beginner using a demo company, don't worry, this is super easy. Let's begin. First, log into your Xero account and make sure you're inside your demo company. On the top menu, click Accounting and then select Advanced. On the Advanced screen, you'll see several options. Click on Manual Journals. This page shows all the journals that have been created in your organization. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the journal you want to edit. Once you find it, click on the journal number or the date to open it. On the top left, you'll see whether the journal is a draft or posted entry. Xero allows editing for both, but if it's posted, you'll need to click Options, then Edit. Once you're in edit mode, you can update anything like the narration, the date, the debit and credit accounts, amounts, or even add extra lines. Just ensure the debits equal credits before saving. After making changes, click Post to save the updated journal. If you want to save it without posting, click Save as Draft. Xero will take you back to the journal page where you can double-check your updated amounts and updates. And that's it. That's how you update or edit a manual journal in Xero. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Xero tutorials.